Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am back with another informative video. So the topic of discussion is how to write off your home office deductions, a comprehensive guide. So if you work at home, you have probably heard about the home office deductions and its many tax benefits. But who exactly qualifies for this deduction and how does it work? In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the intricacies of the calculating the home office deduction, help you navigate the eligibility criteria, and give you tips on how to successfully claim this tax break. Understanding the home office tax deduction. What is the home office deductions? The home office deduction allows self-employed people to deduct expenses related to the business use their home. Typical W-2 employees who work remotely are not eligible to claim the home office deductions. To qualify for this deduction, you must use a portion of your home exclusively for your business. In other words, setting up temporary workspace on your dining table wouldn't qualify you for this tax break. Business use of your home for the tax purposes. When claiming this deduction, you need to understand the IRS guidelines for determining if your home office qualifies. To qualify for their home office deduction, you must meet one of the following form of the IRS. You must use your home office regularly and exclusively for your trade or the business. You must use your home office regularly to meet or deal with your patients, clients, or the customers on a regular basis. You conduct work in a separate structure unattached from your home and use this area exclusively and regularly for the business purposes. As you can see, the main focus the IRS looks at the regular and exclusive for use of the specific area in your home for your business. To meet the exclusive use test, your home office or the studio needs to be your principal place for the business, not a mix of personal and the business activities. And to meet the regular use test, you must regularly use your home office space for your business purposes. If you only conduct business from the home occasionally, it doesn't count in the eyes of the IRS. Exclusive rules expectations. However, there are some exceptions to the exclusive use rules mentioned above. You don't have to use your home office exclusively for the business purposes if you fall into either of the following categories. You use the part of your home to regularly store product samples or inventory used in trade or the business, and your home is only your fixed business location. You use part of your home as a daycare facility. To qualify for the storage of the inventory exclusion, you have to meet several IRS tests. The same goes for the daycare facilities. The IRS also consider the nature of your business activities, whether your home office is essential to conducting the and those activities. If your home office is an integral and necessary part of keeping your business running, you should have no problem claiming the home office deduction. Just be sure to keep good records of your home office expenses and any supporting documentation in case they are needed. Calculating the home office deductions. To calculate the home office deduction, you first need to determine which business expenses you can write off. There are two categories home office expenses can fall into: direct expenses or indirect expenses. Expenses are used only for your home office, such as equipment, repairs, and the maintenance specific to that area. Direct expenses are fully deductible. Indirect expenses are related to your entire home, but you can deduct a percentage of these costs based on the size of your home. Indirect expenses include mortgage interest, property taxes, utilities, homeowners insurance to name a few. The size of your home also plays significant role in determining your deduction amount. So make sure you know the square footage of your home office to make your calculations. You have two options for deducting your direct and indirect expenses, calculating your actual expenses and using the simplified method, the actual expenses method. If you are comfortable doing some math, you can calculate your actual expenses to come up with a more precise home office deduction. This method allows you to fully deduct to the inspires reflection of the actual cost associated with your home office. Direct expenses are fully deductible. Remember, direct expenses are only used for your home office. They directly benefit your business and are easily identifiable as they are related to your business activities. For example, of direct expenses include office supplies, furniture, and the equipment, repair and maintenance specific to your home office. Indirect expenses partially deductible. On the other hand, indirect expenses are costs related to your entire uh, cost home. You can partially deduct these costs based on the percentage of the space used for your business. Examples of the indirect expenses include mortgage interest or the rent payments, property taxes, homeowner insurance, utilities. To calculate the deductible percentage of your indirect expenses, follow these steps. Determine the square footage of your home office space and the total square footage of your home. Divide your home office footage by your home's total square footage to get the percentage of the space used for your business. Apply this percentage to your indirect expenses to determine the deductible amount. Example calculation. For example, if your home office is 200 square feet and your home is 2000 square feet in total, your business use percentage would be 10%. This means you can deduct 10% of your indirect expenses. So if your annual property tax bill is 5,000, you could deduct $500 as a business expense related to the home office. The simplified home office deductions. The simplified method is more streamlined approach to calculating the home office deductions. You are someone who finds calculating actual expenses to be too time consuming or challenging. The simplified method is for you. The simplified method allows you to multiply the square footage of your home uh, by the flat $5 rate. The IRS created this straightforward calculation to make it easier for the self employed to determine their home office deductions. One of the significant advantages of the simplified method is its simplicity and ease of use. Instead of tracking and allocating specific expenses related to your home office, you can use standard rate per square foot. and saving your time and your effort. So that was all about the topic. Hope this topic will have been beneficial for you. So do subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.